What is coral reefs? Coral reefs features extraordinary biodiversity, and a complex structure of interconnections between organisms and their environment, which creates numerous feedback loops within as well among hierarchical level.
The diversity of life found in that habitats created by coral that cause the reefs are often called as rainforests of the sea. About 25% of the marine lives depends on the healthy coral reefs.
What is blast fishing? Blast fishing or dynamite fishing is the practice of using explosives to stun or kill schools of fish for easy collection. The explosions from blast fishing can cause an intense shock wave and affect the marine organisms include the coral reefs.
Our research about the effects of blast fishing on coral reefs are really relatable to Sustainability Development Goals SDG in the number of 14, life below water.
Hence, our group already lists out these research questions and hypotheses that we would like to do in our experiment and research.
Our group has found a total of 37 articles for the literature review that related to our project and themes. Some of them is from Mohamed et al. 2015, Fang Lin and Salim 2017, and Gamira et al. in 2017. From this topic, we choose to do the second methodology, which is a research method that involves using the existing data. The data was summarized and collated to increase the overall effectiveness of the case. The 27 articles were gathered and collated to know the effect of blast fishing on coral reefs. This method includes the research material published in research reports and similar documents which we can gain from the keywords. For example, blast fishing, coral reefs, and etc. This method also are unlike primary method where the data is collected first-hand by organizations or business, or they can employ a third party to collect data on their behalf. Add-on, the second methodology is a quick process and the data is already available. As this research, we focus more onto Sabah area. There are two data that we refer to the most. The first data is from survey that conducted by Reef Check Malaysia in 2017 in status of coral reefs in Malaysia 2017. From this data, we found that blast fishing is still being practiced in some parts of Sabah, as blast fishing is a traditional method that have been used by Bajau Ubian, as what that mentioned by Muzasman Hussein and Badan Kunju Ramai in 2015. World transformation from fisherman to homestay tourism entrepreneur, a study in Mantanani Island, Kota Belud, Sabah, East Malaysia. Second data is by Jan A. and Hudson. The data highlighting the number of blast fishermen and the frequency of blast fishing weekly and daily in Southeast Asia. From their study, we found that there are different scales of blast fishing that give different effects of the coral. This will threaten the habitat of coral reefs. In conclusion, we know that blast fishing is a problem that needed to be taken seriously, as it is a big threat not only to the coral reefs but also other livings who depends on them in lives. In the hypothesis, it has been proven that most of coral species in the sea are damaged due to the blast fishing, and application of SDG Sustainable Development Goals in life can help in reducing the negative effects on the species. The SDGs 14, Life Below Water, aims is to sustainably manage and protect marine life from all types of pollution and activities that can bring harm to them. In order to make that goal, action must be taken by all the international community to end all the activities that will affect the life below water. As a baby step, People should get rid of apathy attitude and be more concerned to all the problems faced by the world. People around the world should unite and work together in taking care of ecosystem in order to make sure others' effort will not be in vain.